Hello bachcho, welcome back to my channel. This is Rehana, your EVS teacher, and in this video we are going to start chapter number 5, Neighborhood Services. All of us live in houses. There are so many houses around us where we live, है ना? There are so many houses around us where we live, around our house. Many families live in these houses. They are our neighbors. ठीक है, the people live around our house are our neighbors. The place that are near our house form our neighborhood. Okay, the places that are near to our house form our neighborhood. Our neighborhood has many blocks of flat or houses. Big neighborhoods form cities and towns. Okay, a big neighborhood forms cities and towns. A city or town has many important places. A city has many important places. They provide a number of useful services which help the people to live in comfort. Look here, these are the buildings. In them so many flats are there. They all form a neighborhood. Okay. Some of these useful services are, what are the services around us? Market, bus stand, school, places of worship, hospital, police stations. Useful services in neighborhood. Now, there are some places which are in our neighborhood, some important places. We will study about them in the further chapter. First one is market. A market is crowded and busy place. Yes, have you seen the crowd in the market? See, this is a market. There are lots of crowd in the market. We can buy things. What we do in the market? We buy things like fruits, vegetables, flowers, toys, clothes, etc. in the market. Okay, we buy many things in the market. These are the things which we buy from a market. That is why it is an important service in our neighborhood. A person who sells any article in a shop is called a shopkeeper. Okay, the person who sells an article in a shop is called shopkeeper. Bus shed or stand. A bus shed or stand is a service in our neighborhood. If we want to go somewhere, we go to bus stand to catch a bus, right? Like this is a bus stand. Here so many buses are standing. We go there to catch a bus to go somewhere, to go a destination. Okay. A bus shed or stand is a service in our neighborhood which is important to us. Here we wait to catch a bus to go to our destination. Right? Now, did you know all office and building including your school have fire extinguishers? These help to put out a fire. We use fire extinguishers to put out a fire. For instant cash withdrawal, sometimes we need cash and it is in our bank, so we go to ATMs. Okay, we use an ATM machine to take out the money. The full form of ATM are automated teller machine. Here you have to write the available services in your neighborhood. Like it is a market, a school, places of worship, hospital. Okay, whatever services you have in your neighborhood, you can write it here. Now, the next service which is available in our neighborhood is school. A school is very important service in any neighborhood. Young children of age 2 to 5 years go to a kindergarten or play school. Okay, a child who is 2 to 5 years go to a school which is called a kindergarten or play school. They learn poetry, rhymes and play many games there. They also learn good habits. Okay, we learn good habits in the school, right? Children of age group 5 to 17 go to a formal school, and children who are of age 5 to 17 go to a formal school. They learn to read and write. Okay, they learn their reading and writing. They also learn more about the society and world. They learn different subjects. Okay, now this next service is places of worship. Where do we go to pray? We go to many places. A different religion people go to different places to worship, right? Like seeing these pictures. This is a temple. A Hindu go in this temple. This is a mosque. A Muslim go to a mosque. This is a Gurudwara. A Sikh is go to Gurudwara, and this is a church. Christians go to the church to pray. Okay, so to pray we go to many different places according to our religions. Our neighborhood has different places of worship. People of different religions go to different places to pray. Okay, these are the different places where we go to pray. Now, next service is hospital. Why do we go to hospital? Can you tell me? Yes. If we get injured or we fall sick, then we go to hospital to a doctor. Okay, we go to a doctor at a hospital when we are sick or injured. When do we go to a doctor? When we get sick or injured. He gives us treatment. What did he do? What he do? He does treatment and gives medicine for our sickness or injury. He is well trained to treat and cure the diseases. A doctor may admit us in the hospital if we are very sick. Okay, if we fall very sick, doctors admit us in the hospital, right? Doctors and nurses looked after us in the hospital till we recover. Okay, who look after us in the hospital? Doctor and nurses look after us. Now the next service is post office. We post a letter in a post box. The letter then goes to the post office where all the letters are collected and stored. Then the letter reaches the village, town, city and to our doorstep by a person called postman. Okay, sometimes we need to convey some message to our relatives or any other official things. Then what we do? We write a letter, we post that, okay, and write address to that letter, and a postman takes the letter to the destination. So what do postman do? Postman, a postmaster is head of post office. India's first post office was established in 1837. Okay. We also send money by money order and parcels by courier through post office. We also send money through post office. Okay. Now next service is police station. The policemen keep us safe by maintaining law and order in the society we live. They catch thieves. What they do? They catch thieves and burglars and protect us from them. We can call for immediate police help by dialing number 100. Okay, the number of police is 100. We can call them anytime to take help. A neighborhood may also have bank, restaurant. Okay, these are some other services which are also available in our neighborhood. Our neighborhood may also have bank, restaurant, cinema hall. We can keep our money safe in the bank, eat various type of foods in restaurant and watches movies in cinema hall. Okay, what do we do in these places? In bank, we keep our money. In restaurant, we go to eat various types of food. And in cinema halls, we go to watch movies. Now, these are some numbers of important neighborhood services. Like for police, we dial 100. For medical services, we dial 101. For fire services, we dial 102. And women helpline services 1090, and child helpline is 1098. List some other useful services which may need in day-to-day life. Here you have to write some other services which we need in our daily life, okay, which is not mentioned in this chapter. Now there are some points written. These are keywords. Postman. Who is the postman? The person who delivers letter to our doorstep is called a postman. Who is a shopkeeper? The person who sells any article in a shop is called a shopkeeper. Now these are the things to remember. You need to remember these points. Neighborhood services make our life comfortable. A market is a neighborhood service where we can buy our daily needs. Our school helps us to gain knowledge. Our doctor treats the sick and injured. We send money, letters and parcels through the post office. The police protects us and keep us safe by maintaining law and order. Okay. Now here our chapters completes. Thank you for watching this video.